Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix green screen while playing YouTube on Google Chrome. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go ahead and open up your web browser, and from here go to the three dots on the top right corner and go to settings. Now, once you're here, go to System, and right beside Use Hardware Acceleration when available, you need to disable this toggle switch, and after that, click on Relaunch. Now, it is going to open Google Chrome again, and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.